Have you heard people say, robots are taking our jobs? Well, that's not always true. Some robots are not here to replace us. They're here to help us. These friendly robots are called collaborative robots, or cobots for short. But what can these cobots really do? Are they safe to work with? And why are so many companies using them now? In this video, we're going to explore how cobots are changing factory work. You'll learn what they are, how they work, and why many workers love having them around. This video is brought to you by automatedeal.com, the free recruitment platform for the industrial automation industry. Automate connects businesses with top automation professionals, helping companies find the right talent to grow and succeed. Let's get started. What is a cobot? So, what is a cobot? A cobot is a robot that works with people, not alone. Unlike big, fast robots that stay behind safety fences, cobots work right next to humans. They move slowly, carefully, and with purpose. That's because they are made to be safe and smart. Imagine a robot helping you build something, like putting parts together or screwing in bolts. You do your part, and the cobot does its part, just like a team. And the best part? You don't need to be a robot expert to work with one. Cobots are made to be simple and easy to use. Built-in safety. Now, let's talk about safety. That's the biggest question most people have. Is it safe to work next to a robot? Cobots are full of safety features. They have sensors that feel if something is in the way. If a cobot touches a person or an object by accident, it stops right away. Some cobots can even see using cameras and understand what's around them. Some are smart enough to guess what a person might do next, like moving a hand or walking by. So yes, cobots are built to collaborate, not hurt. Safety is always the #1 rule when they are designed. Where cobots work. Best cobots can do many different jobs in a factory. They're great at assembly, which means putting small parts together. They can help with screwing, checking quality, and even carrying light items. You'll find cobots in many industries like cars, electronics, medicine, and even food. In a car factory, a cobot might help attach a mirror or door handle. In a food factory, it might place snacks into boxes. These are jobs where humans and cobots can work side by side to finish tasks faster and better. A game changer for SMEs. Now let's talk about small and medium-sized businesses, also called SMEs. These are companies that don't have big factories or huge budgets. For many years, only large companies could afford robots. They had the money, space, and tech experts to set up big machines. But cobots are changing everything. Cobots are smaller, cheaper, and much easier to use. You don't need a team of engineers to make them work. Even a regular worker can teach a cobot what to do using a simple screen or by moving its arm to show the task. Let's say you run a small business that makes electronic parts. You only have 20 workers. A cobot can help one of them by doing a boring or repetitive job, like placing the same part again and again. Now, that worker is free to focus on more important things, like checking quality or talking to customers. This saves time, boosts speed, and helps the business grow without hiring more people or working overtime. That's why cobots are becoming so popular in smaller companies. They are like a new teammate who doesn't get tired, doesn't complain, and never takes a day off. Cobots and the future of work. So, what do cobots mean for the future of work? Are we going to see robots everywhere? Well, yes and no. Cobots are here to help, not replace. They are not taking away jobs, but they are changing how we work. Think about this. Some jobs are very repetitive. Doing the same motion over and over again can hurt your hands, your back, or just make you tired. Cobots can do those tasks instead. That means workers can focus on jobs that need thinking, planning, or decision-making. But there's something important to remember. When cobots join the team, workers also need new skills. For example, someone might need to learn how to set up a cobot or fix a small problem. This means training becomes important. Companies need to help workers learn and grow. If that happens, cobots and humans can build a great future together. Cobots are like smart tools. The more you understand them, the more useful they become. And in the factories of tomorrow, teams of people and cobots will be building things faster, safer, and smarter. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever worked with a cobot? Or maybe you've seen one in action? What did you think? Were you surprised by what it could do? Drop a comment and share your story. And if you're looking for the right talent in industrial automation, autom8deal.com is here to help. Autom8 is a free recruitment platform that connects businesses with top professionals in the automation industry. Find the right people and grow your business today. Visit autom8deal.com. And don't forget to subscribe, because our next video is about mobile robots and how they're changing the way factories move things around. Trust us, you won't want to miss it.